Love stuff.
The lonely Mr. Coley from Los Angeles came to Punjab on one bent knee. He had a green card, new house, big cash. They made a wish with every falling lash.
You to do the journey with him. To smile when he got home, ask how the day had been. He walked you by his side in joy and strife.
Poor Mr. Coley, he has no life without wife. No life without wife. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. No life without wife. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want a man who ties me down, does what he wants while I hang around. I don't want a man who's rude and loud, wants a pretty wife to make him proud. I don't want a man who can't be funny, tells tales about making money. Oh yeah. I don't want a man who grabs the best seat. Can't close his mouth when he starts to eat. I don't want a man who likes to drink or leaves his dirty dishes in the sink. I don't want a man who wants his money, a balding pest with too much money. I don't want a man who's dead in the head. Poor Mr. Coley.
Hi, Mr. Coley.
Maybe he's good and bad. No life without wife. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. No life without wife. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But what you don't want don't matter no more. Soon you'll be married and ready to go.
A match made in heaven just by look and honey. You make all the goldie, he makes the money. Every day will be the same according to his plan.
Forget what you want. Mr. Coley's now your man. No